Hey friend, hey best friend. We are back for day 8 of the 2024 Baddies and Budgets Advent Calendar. Y'all, I'm so excited. I am so happy I decided to treat myself and get this Advent Calendar. I'm happy. And I think she may have some left. She may not. I don't know. But you guys go to her website and see and get it. I'm for real, because like it's worth it, especially if you're a beginner budgeter. This is really worth it. Or if you're new to saving, because some people budget but they don't do like savings like that. They don't do cash envelopes. So if that's something you're interested in, I think her website has a lot of beginner friendly items. So let's see, because we on day 8, baby, and she thick. Her thick. You see her? You see her? And you see, like I said, the thought that she put into the design of the box. And a lot of people, when they do the pretty presentation, a lot of times it takes away from the quality of the products. Not at all. Not at all. So let's dive into day 8. Oh, what? Wait a minute. What is this? A crop. I know you lying. She did not give us a whole crossbody bag. I know you. Hold up, y'all. Wait a minute. 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 Yeah, and it's like a nylon, I guess. Oh, look. Wait a minute. I know you lying right now. Look how deep that pocket is, and that's the outside pocket. And it's nylon. Wait, it's something. It feel like something in here. Is it another strap? And it got a what? Yeah. Look. This, you know what? This'll be cute to carry your budget stuff in. It says spend intentionally. So that is what this crossbody is for. If you going shopping. What is in here? Wait, what? We got a lot going on. I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna wait for her. I ain't finna be taking stuff loose and then I can't put it back. But damn, look at this. This got a lot of little. You can clip your keys on here. Look, clip your keys on here. I want to know what this is in here, but I'm scared to take it out because I might not be able to put it back. Hold on. This is what? Okay. Y'all better stop playing with her. She said y'all better find something safe to do. Stop playing with me. I'ma wait because I don't want to break my nail. This is the tag. Yeah, it's like nylon, so you just wipe it down. But look at it, it comes with a little change purse. This is so cute. And I like that it's a different pink. This is cute. Look. I don't know if it was this. I don't know. I hope it, or is this like a free gift? Because I know she gave some people gifts. I don't know, but this is quality, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. This is quality. You could put this around your waist like a fanny pack, or you could put it as a crop, like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. This might not make it to 2025. This might be fun. Y'all, we are on day 7 of my 2024 Baddies and Budget Advent Calendar. And when I tell y'all, I am in awe of what we have seen so far. And I just want to let y'all know that day 7 is real heavy. She heavy. Like, she's solid. You know how the other day we had a big box, but it had a small thing in it? No. Baby, look. She get, they right here. This right here is yeah, this is a bodycon. This is a bodycon box, y'all. So let's get into day 7 and see what beautification and purposeful item Miss Jasmine from Baddies and Budget gave us, y'all. It's another You know I told you, girl, we love dust bags. It is another dust bag. Y'all, I don't know how old y'all is, but I'm finna give away my age. When we was little, our daddy used to drink that brown liquor. And there was a drink, well, y'all drink it now. It's called Crown Royal. Crown Royal used to only come in a purple pouch. People used to use that pouch for their change purse. These gonna be my, we gonna figure something out for these bags. This is what? Oh wait. We got another binder, y'all. Wait. You see her? You see her? Wait a minute. I'm confused. So this a 8. Oh, this a chap. Y'all see what that say? Normally you get the $1,000, or you get the 100. What is the 100 envelope or the 52 week? This is a $10,000 challenge binder. Look. Wait a minute. Hold it. We gotta do that check. You see how that popped open? You see? Oh my God. Look at this. I ain't even, y'all seeing my pure first reaction to this stuff. Look. Let me tell you something. I done brought binders from other people. This right here. Ooh. Oh, y'all see her? Anybody that follow me know, honey, I love Melanie. You see this gold though? Look at her. Hey Betty, this 10K challenge is a beast. It will require you to go deep in your bag, but you got this. We labeled 100 envelopes with 2 to 200. When you have the cash, choose an envelope and add that amount to the challenge. Once the challenge is complete, you will have $10,000. Consistency is key with saving challenges. Try to choose at least one number per pay period so you can complete this challenge and get moving on to the next. Let me tell you something. If you somebody that want to buy a house, buy a car, I think this is the perfect challenge for you. So she said 2 to 200. So 2, wait a minute. Oh, it's numbered by, look at this. I really hope she trademarked her images. I do. I would hate to go on Amazon and see this, because this, listen. So it's by twos. And these envelopes, y'all, they feel like a silicone almost. Oh, let me give y'all a tip. Because when you have like rings and you open and close them, they tend to like get off center. A key to that, if you're new to these type of planners, or if you, oh, she popped open, baby, she's thick, or if you just never use a ring back, what you could do is take your scissors and just do like a clip, and they'll come in and out just like a binder, just like a disc bound. But she is, honey, I'm gonna put you back together, baby girl. But oh, and then here go the tracker. She got the tracker in the bag, y'all. Look at the bag. Look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, Jasmine. I can't even say nothing. We just gonna put her back, because we gonna use her. Oh, well, I'll tell y'all how I'm gonna use all this stuff, because we gonna put all this stuff plus stuff that I already got. We gonna put it all to work, baby. 2025, that year for you, girl. But I'm in awe. When she said she was rebranding, she said that she was gonna brand in a way where people could not copy her. Little mama wasn't playing. She put her signature all up and through everything. You see that? I hope, like I said, I really hope that when she do stuff like this, hopefully, if this is her own design, I hope she trademarks. But Jasmine, yes. I don't forgot what day we on. What day we on, y'all? Day 7. Day 7. So I'm gonna tell y'all, so far we have gotten a crossbody bag, a binder, a A6 binder, a acrylic saving challenge, the $10,000 saving challenge. Girl, honey, I personally, I think we done spent our $325 already, and we still got days to go. But guess what? I'll see y'all back here tomorrow for day 6, though. Bye.